Hello everyone. In this video we want to show you how simply you can create such model in CYPE 3D. As you can see here I have the RHS. So here I have the RHS 150 by 100 by 6.3 for this members. Okay, and also I have this members. They are RHS 125 by 75 by 5 mm. And also I have the columns. So maybe I can show the columns with another color. Okay, and for the column, I have the RHS 150 by 150. Actually, it is SHS, sorry. It is SHS 150 by 150 by 6. Okay, and later I want to apply a load, a certain point, a certain kind of load. Here, I want to apply the load exactly at the middle of this roof. Okay, and the let's say magnitude of this load is 16 kilonewton or 1600 kilogram. Okay, so I want to apply this load exactly in this position. So how we can do it? Okay, so I will go to CYPE 3D. From here I will create let's say new project, accept. I will go to empty project, accept. And from here I need to set the code. So as you can see here, so I set the code for hot ruled sections as Eurocode 3, generic Eurocode. So I'm not caring about the concrete or cold form. So then accept. For live load, here I need to use the category or select a proper category. Let's say here I have the roof. I want to go for roof and then accept. And from here I can set the grade of ruled steel. So for example S275. I'm not caring about the rest. And from here also I want to add additional load. Let's say here that particular type of load is live load. Just assume that is live load. So simply here I will add the live load, accept, and here I have one live load, accept. Okay, so the rest I'm not change, and then finish, accept. So now I have this, and if I come back to here, so I have 6 meter by 6 meter. So for creating this, simply I can go to the bar, go to new. Okay, so from here I will go to 6 meter. Doesn't matter how much length you are going. So just click here, and just like AutoCAD, you can press 6 meter. Okay, so I have 6 meter in this direction, also 6 meter. Press 6, enter. And once you have this, so you have the reference lines, and simply you can use these intersections, and you can create the geometry of this model, and then right click. So just to release the command. So once you have this, so we need to also create the inner beams or cross beams. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 divided by 4, so it gives me 1.5. So which means here simply I can go to here and write 1.5, enter, and then here you have this. Okay, so similarly here I will go over 1.5, enter, and then go ahead, 1.5, enter, and then here I have this. I have also the column, so the column length is 3 meter, so I will just simply come to here and then write 3. Okay, so I have the 3 meter, and after that I can make a copy of these columns. I can go to tools, copy elements, accept. So I will select the column, right click, reference point, so I can select here, here, and then here. Okay, so I have the geometry of this. If I go to a render view, so here it is the thing that we created. Okay, now we need to change the sections. So simply I can go to the sections options. I will go to bar, and then here I have the describe option. Click on describe, and from here I need to select this perimeter beams. Right click, and they are 150 by 100 by 6.3. Okay, so I need to go to this option, and then from here I can select this one. Okay, as you can see here, I don't have any section library by now. So what can I do? I can go to this option, okay, and look at this last icon that you have. Click on this, and from here maybe I can go to this section. It is RHS. I will select this and then accept. So right now here I have a list of sections. So I need to find the 150 by 100 by 6.3. You see here we don't have that section, so but no worries. So I will try another section. Let me go here. Maybe I can select hot finish RHS, accept. So just I want to see this 150. Okay, so here I have 150 by 100 by 6. I will select this section and then accept. So right now here I have RHS 150 by 100 by 6. Okay, so the next one is the inner beams or cross beams. So I have for them 125 by 75 by 5. So let's look at it, the section that we created. So I will go to bar, again describe, and this time I will select these 3 bars, right click, and from here again I will go to this option, okay, and then go to RHS, and from here I need to check the RHS 125. So here as you can see I don't have 125 under this series, and here also I don't have 125. So again, so the solution is that you can go back to here and then you can search for different RHS sections that you have. For example, here I can select on this and I will bring it to here. For example, this one I can make it as RHS1, for example. Okay, and so you can look at it. So if you have the 125 RHS 125, so you can use it. Otherwise, okay, so you can edit it. Let's say under this RHS 1 I want to edit this, so simply I can go to here and I will choose this one of this let's say sections, for example. Okay, and so the size, just give me a second please, 125 75. Okay, so I will select one of this and then make a copy of this section. Okay, so here I have the copy option. If you go at the end, so here you have this. You can also bring it back, bring it up by using this option. So I can just click on this to bring it up, let's say after 120, and then we can edit it as RHS 125 75 and 5. Okay, so please bear with me. So I'm just go to for it somewhere. Okay, so here I have 120, and then so I will put it here. Okay, so I want to make this one as 125 75 and 5. So I will go to edit. So first of all, here I will change the name of this section, RHS 125, and then here I have 75 and the thickness is 5. Okay, and then here I have 120, so I will change this one to 125, and here I have 75, so I will change this one to 75, and the thickness is 5 is fine, so we can accept this. So right now I have this one. So in this way you can customize the section as you want. So accept, okay, and then I can go to select that section. Okay, so here I have the section RHS 125 75 5, accept. Okay, so right now I have this section as well, and for column I have the SHS 150 by 150 by 6. So I will select the column. So you can also use this option that you have here. You can go to a proper view, you can create select the columns and then right click. So we are looking for 150 by 150 by 6. So here I will go to again here, so I have the SHS again here, just like RHS. You can go to this option, you can bring the proper section. Here I have SHS, accept, accept, and then I need to look at 150 by 150 by 6. Okay, so here I have this, and then accept. Okay, so here we have actually now this model. Once again, if you want to look at the cross section, so here you have, or let's say, a render view. So here you have the members. Okay, so another thing that we said that here we want to create the load exactly here. Okay, so I want to apply the load exactly here, but before applying the load, let me also add the slab, okay, to this region, and later we can review the result of the slab under this let's say certain load case. Okay, so let me just do it. I will go to shell and then I will go to new. Let's say we have the metal sheet and the thickness is 6 mm, okay, and then the material is steel and also it is S275, accept. So from here, so I can create this slab. So here I have the slab, and from here I want to add the load. So here assume that we have the exactly, you know, at the center 1 meter by 1 meter. So here I have the 1 meter, and here also I have 1 meter, and the load that we want to apply. So here I have the 1600 kg per meter square. So since here we have 1 meter by 1 meter, so it is actually here it is 1. Okay, and then here if you want to change it to kilonewton, so it will become 16 kilonewton. Okay, so I'm going to apply 16 kilonewton to here. So that's why we know that from here to here is 6 meter, and this is 1 meter, so the remaining is 5 meter. Okay, and I have to create a geometry 2.5 meter here and another 2.5 meter here. Okay, so let's do it. So I will take advantage of this node that I have here. So I will go to node, and here also before creating the node, here I have, you know, the reference line. So sometimes you don't want to see the reference line, you can hide them. You can go to plane, and here you have the references, and from here just uncheck reference lines and then accept. Okay, as you can see here I have this geometry. Okay, let's go to node, and from here I want to create the node. Okay, so from here I will go for let's say 0.5, excuse me. So let's go from here by 2.5. Okay, so I will create one node here, and from here I can go for 1 meter. Okay, so here it is 1 meter, and so since I want to create this square geometry, so that's why I will create another, let's say, line. let's say in this direction. Sorry, I can make a copy of this. I can go to copy. Okay, I want to copy this, right click, and then in this direction I can activate the reference lines. Okay, activate the reference line to have this, and then I will go to copy, go to tools, copy elements, accept. I will select these two nodes, right click, and from here I will make it as 0.5. Okay, 0.5, and in this direction also 0.5. Okay, so once I have this, so let's say I can go to planes and reference lines. I can hide the reference lines. So here I have this, and this two nodes I don't need, so I can simply remove them. Go to node, delete this node, okay, and also this node, delete. Okay, and then here for applying such load, you need to use panel load. Go to load tab, and here you have the introduce panel. So from here I will just create the panel. So from here to here, okay, and then here I have the panel. Okay, so I will create this, and from here I want to apply the live load as 16 kilonewton, 16 kilonewton, and then accept. Okay, so once you apply this, so if you want to review the load, you can go to the load. First of all, let me scale up the live load. For example, here I can say 7, accept, and then go to visible load case and look at the live load. Okay, so here we have the live load. Here it is the live load. If you want to scale down, you can go to scale, and maybe here you can scale it to 3. Okay, so here you have the live load. So once you have this, so I can, let's say, run the analysis. But before running the analysis, also I need to assign the support. I will go to node, external fixity, select this option, and then go to fix support, accept. Okay, and then I can go to analysis and run the analysis. Okay, so I have this information. The fire check option has not been activated. That's fine, because I don't want to go for a fire resistant check. So let's review the result for the slab. Okay, so here, as you can see, so the load is here. I can scale up the deformation. For example, I can go for 70. Okay, and also I can see something like this. Okay, if you want to see the structure as well, and then you can see the deflection. Okay, and another thing that I want to share with you is the mesh size. So right now, as you can see, maybe you are looking for the smaller mesh size, so you can also do that. You can go to shell, and here you have the discretization option. Go to discretization and select the shell element, and from here I want to make it as 0.4, let's say, accept. Okay, once again I will run the analysis, accept. Okay, and then I have the result, so I can go to analysis, once again go to the form shape of the slab. As you can see here, right now you have the smaller mesh size. If you want to see the contour plot, also you can see the contour plot as well. Okay, so just like this. And here you have the maximum deflection. So if you want to see the maximum deflection, so you can go to check the consult option. Okay, so I can go to this option. consult. Under forces, you can click on consult, and you see here, once you are here, so you can check the value of the deflection. Okay, similarly for the forces, for example here, if you want to see the forces, so here you can also consult the forces as well. Okay, so you have nice option for review the result on the shell element or on the roof. Okay, so here you have this. Let me go and close this. And also you can check the member um, result. For example, I can go to check option, and from here, just as you can see here, you have the utilization ratio for this member at almost 39%. So here you have 7%, and then here you have almost 32%. If you want to generate the report, so you can go to, again, analysis, and here you have the ULS checks. So for example, here I can click on this column, and then here you will get all the information. If you want to see the information and this report in one single PDF file, so you can click on this option, view the complete listing. Okay, and then you have overall 12 pages. Okay, and here it is the report. And if you remember, so we select the Eurocode, and here you will get all the step-by-step calculation report according to the Eurocode relevant clauses. Okay guys, so it was the tutorial for today. Thank you for being with us, and stay tuned with us, so we will come up with more updated videos and let's say updated tutorials. Thank you so much, and have a great day.